Hello and welcome back. So, I know I did not put out a video yesterday, but let me go ahead and get into my iPad. So for this week, Lewis brought home $1,159.20. We had rollover of $306.54, which this was already claimed from last week to pay our cell phone, but I wanted to make sure everything else was good before I did this. So that total came out to $1,465.74. And then we have, like I said, my cell phone, so it's $309.68. One of my credit cards, Amazon Prime, FiOS car insurance, and our security system. Our envelopes are always going to be the same. And then our sinking funds that we're going to be going over. We have nothing going to extra debt. And then we have $225 going to our mortgage. So let's go ahead and get started with our cash stuffing. As always, I like to start in my wallet. I had nothing in gas, but this week we will be putting $20 into it. And in vape, we'll be putting 40. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, $5 comes out because we have reached our $100. That's going to be it for my envelope. For my wallet. And holidays. Household birthday, we have Liam's birthday. Liam has $10, we'll be putting 5. There's 15. And that might be it for this envelope. Nope, we have back to school, which is getting $5. So we got 20, 25, 30, 35, and back to school. And I think that is it, yeah. In our home. Home maintenance is getting $5. So now we got 10, 15, 20. Nothing goes in medical. Yard work. We just got our yard done. And for home maintenance, we really need to save up here because my dishwasher decided to go. So we're going to be saving up for a new dishwasher, which I think they're about $500, but I'm not 100% sure. I've not done no research. But hopefully we can get this, obviously I'm going to have to put more than $5 a week in. But we are going through a tough time right now. My husband's his business is about to go on strike. If you pay attention to like the news or like companies that you do business with, they probably sent out an email in regards to UPS, and that's who my husband works for. So yeah, I've been dealing with that and trying to make sure that I'm managing everything the best way possible because it could be a couple of weeks of no income or like 25% of his income. So we've been really like trying to make sure everything is good. So in yard work, we're going to put $33. So we got 20, 30, 1, 2, and 3. $20, $30, $31, $32, $33, $34, $35. So I've just been kind of just making sure that I do all of the things that I need to do to prepare us. Alright, so this $5 that I pulled out from my vape is going to go into my car maintenance. I just ordered something, so I'm going to be replacing that. I think it was like $30, so I'm going to pull this out. Two, 4, 6, 8. We can actually just put it all together. It's fine. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I have 125 in car maintenance. We still got to get 2 more tires and get it inspected before the end of the year. And then cars are done. That's for both my cars. And that is going to be it for our home envelope. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. I know last week I did not post a video. I was really going through the motions of what's going to be happening, so please forgive me. I did record it, but I didn't like what I recorded, so nothing went up, if you want me to be honest with you. Thank you so much for everybody who is new to the channel. I appreciate you subbing here, and I hope that you are able to take something from this. And if y'all have any questions, please feel free to leave it down in the comment section down below. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!